Hello everyone, this is my channel Coder Kanya. I will be creating complete course of C++. This course will be specifically designed for beginners in C++. So anyone who does not has any prior experience in it or just has started learning it will surely get benefit from this course. In this video, I will be covering some concepts which you should be aware of before learning C++. So let's talk about what is programming. Programming is the process of creating a set of instructions that tell a computer how to perform a task and produce the result. So this is the definition. So what does that mean? So in simple words, we need our computer to run operating systems, games, browsers, music, movie player and many more things. To perform all these tasks, we need to tell computer how to do them because computer does not know it. For that purpose, we create instructions. This can be related with scenario where you want your favorite dish to be cooked, but cook does not know how to make it. So you make a list of instructions and give it to him. Now cook will follow all those instructions and in the end, your dish will be prepared. Similarly, instructions will be passed to computer in the medium which it understands. Computer only understands machine language. Machine language is made up of instructions and data that are all binary numbers. So all programs written in programming languages such as C++, Python, Java and etc. finally generate or run programs in machine language, which is understandable by computer and produce the result. Next is the role of compiler. For a compiler, code is like a recipe. A compiler takes the recipe, means code, for a new program which is written in high level language and transform this code into a new language that can be understood by the computer itself. This new language is machine language. A high level language is any programming language that make possible development of a program in a much more user friendly programming context. High level language is generally independent of the computer's hardware architecture. Source code is the program code that is written by a programmer. For example, if we want to take our name as an input and want to print it, the source code for this case can be written as string name, cout name, and so as we can see, this is a human readable code. Anyone who does not know anything about programming can also understand that here we are talking and doing something with name. Let's come to machine language. Machine language code is a low language comprised of binary digits. Like since computers are digital services, they only recognize binary data. So object code is a sequence of statements in binary that is generated after compiling the source program. After conversion in machine language, the code will look like a combination of zeros and ones, which is hard for a human to understand. This is an example of an object code. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you enjoyed my videos, please hit the subscribe button before you go. And आज के लिए बाय बाय.